Good morning, guys. Once again, I am back. My name is Alex, and we are here with the new analysis on gold. And let's see what we can do on Wednesday market. As we know, today is the US JOLTS data, and it will put a little impact on the market when we talk about gold. So it can give at least $20 to $30 movement during the US session data time, and after the release of the data. And before the London session will be starting in around 15 minutes from now. So I'm updating you before that what we can have see today. Like if we can see that today in the morning there we have seen the 2496 resistance level that was today's high, and right now it is moving below like 2490. So right now what we can see, it's doing a correction or it's a reversal in the downside. So to do that, what we can do is we can just draw a Fibonacci retracement level, and with this we can see that right now it is between zero point 0.5 and 0.618 golden zone. From where if it generates a support above this area, then we can see again a fresh buying. But in case it moves up and it like does not break 2490 or 2487, then we will again see a downward pressure. Okay, and gold could reach yesterday's low of 2473. More than that, what we can see is if gold breaks today the support of 2470 or something like that, that the next support is around 2450. Okay, that will be the psychological support. So we have to be careful at this area. If this breaks 2470, then there could be a big selling. Okay, so we have to be sure about that what we are doing today. In case if leaves spike here like during 2470 or 2465, then traders might get the opportunity to buy as well for some correction in the upside. Because if we see today morning, then the gold has given so much gap between these areas, so we can see the market going again up to fill the gap and then fall down. Okay, so be careful while you are trading during a London session. In US session, the picture will be scenario will be much clear, as if the data comes in the positive side, then we can see that is going to be in the downward direction and vice versa. Thank you so much for your time, and we will be coming back with another analysis. Thank you so much.